All right, it's July 1st. This is a 2026 Hyundai Tucson. The recall update for the display software has the garage tried to fix it. They gave me my car yesterday. There's no dash cams connected. Start this thing up. So, all right, so far so good. No error messages, but also no heads-up display, which there's supposed to be a heads-up display. So if I go to setup, I go to cluster, this is where it should say cluster / heads-up display, but it's not saying heads-up display. So I'm no expert, but I do use software, and I have for my entire life. Okay, here comes the heads-up display now, but there's still no setting for heads-up display. Ah, now there is. Okay, here, cluster heads-up display. What's going on here? So I feel like there's 2 layers of software working. Maybe there's conflicting. I don't know. That's all right. So now the heads-up display comes up. So we go here, content, display media information. Yeah, let's put the media information up there. I like seeing what I'm listening to. All right. So I'm wondering if this just keeps, they just keep updating the software as I turn the car on and off. I'll keep you posted, and we'll wait for the inevitable betrayal. Sorry, that's from Firefly Serenity. If you know that, put it in the comments. The inevitable failure, which will happen. What will happen is all the warning lights will come on. The heads-up display will flicker first, usually, and then say, check your mirrors. And then, yeah, this will, and then when the catastrophic failure happened, the whole screen would go blank. And actually, the entertainment center was fine. Like, this panel was fine. This panel is the one that's messed up. So, I don't know what to tell you. This is a frustrating electronic problem with a car that's supposed to have the best electronics. And we're going to, I got to call in to the dealer. We're going to try to get it resolved, but it's just not happening. This will be the 4th attempt. So I think in Pennsylvania, after 3 or 4 attempts, if they've had your car for over a month in the first year, I think things can happen. So you guys tell me. I'm not a lawyer, but we'll figure this out. All right, I hope you guys have a great day out there. I hope this is not happening to you, but if you're watching this video, it probably is. But if you have a Hyundai Tucson, be aware of this, because this could happen. If you're not running your heads-up display, if you have the limited, maybe try it, see if it works, because it should work. But yeah, that's weird that like this comes up as cluster at first, and then it comes up as cluster / heads-up display. Maybe this software is still updating. I don't know. I'm all questions at this point and no answers. So I hope you guys have some answers in the comments. That would help me and help everyone else out there. Have a great day. And I hope you enjoy driving your Tucson. Everything else seems to work, which is cool. But all right, have a good one.